guys, in today's video I finally got, oh man, the box ripped. How nice. Long story short, we're getting the Wideband. We're gonna go to a muffler shop, try to get the bong or whatever it's called, try to get him put on, and then I'm gonna find somebody that can help me wire this thing up. It shouldn't be that hard. I just wire it up to the bong, find somewhere to hide it nice and tucked, maybe some zip ties, and then I'll find somebody that knows how to connect it at the other end. So right now we're gonna go check out to the muffler shop, see how much they charge me for the bong. I'm gonna ask them, maybe they might know, maybe they might not, how to install a wideband, but if not, I can find somebody, no biggie. One muffler shop is closed, and this guy has a lot of work, so I gotta see if I already have a buddy that can install the wideband, but I need to find somebody that can weld on the thing. Man, dude. Oh well. Back to the man that put my original exhaust. Well, he's kind of busy right now, but that's a pretty clean GMC, not gonna lie. Oh, hello. $20. He also does alignments because I need one really bad because one of my tires is going bald from the corner. So right now he's going to show me where he's going to put the sensor on. And then we'll see. Look. It's going bald on the outside. Freaking alignment, I swear. It even wiggles a bit. Finally got it done. Just put a little plug for now. Later, after I do some airings, I'll take out to my friend's house so we can install this thing. Finally gonna have one of my 2 gauges. Oh, this guy. Once I put on, I'm gonna put it down here. After I put this one on, no, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I still don't know, but it's gonna be that one, and I'm also gonna get I'm probably gonna get the transmission temperature, unless I upgrade the cluster, but we'll see. I'm really excited to know how this truck's actually running. Hopefully it's not running real nasty. I mean, it doesn't feel like it, but then again, you never know. My truck was running pretty, I think it was running pretty lean, and it didn't even feel like it. It was running badass, so we'll see. One of my friends out in a bit, and I forgot to tell you guys, we're already the same guy that helped me install this. We're gonna go to his house. He can help me install the wideband. So like I said, I found the fuel rolls at a junkyard, $40. Pretty good deal. Doesn't leak gas, or I mean, it wastes more gas now, like nasty amounts of gas, but besides that, everything's pretty good. I do need to retune it though, because sometimes when I let go of the gas, it kind of feels weird. I don't know, man. It doesn't feel the same, but it does feel a little stronger. Sounds a little better. But yeah, just waiting on him to tell me so I can take off over there, and we should be good. So after this, wideband, already got, like I said, I already got the injectors, already got the throttle body. I need some wheels, so that way the guy can tune it right. And now that I have the wideband, it's gonna be like a pretty, it's gonna be a way better tune, wideband tuned. So I'm just trying to get into the 12s. I mean, everybody says I should be able to hit the 12s already at a quarter mile. I don't know that. I mean, like I said, my best time was 13.4 spinning on like 30 psi on the tires when I only had cam stall gears and posi. Now that I have the headers, the EGR delete, the intake, I have the throttle body, I have the injectors, this thing should hopefully break into the 12s. And as soon as I break into the 12s, I'm gonna worry about the paint, because I really need to get that out of the way already. So that way the outside's already good. These wheels, my cousin bought them, so I'm just waiting for him to give me the money and take them, and then I'm gonna put back the other 17s that I had. My poor man's drag pack. I want to make it into like a mini version of the other Denali I had. I have the roof lights there, but I want them all blue. You see, these, the back ones, I'm gonna leave red so that they match. Oh, my mirror's dirty. I'm gonna leave the back red so it matches the tail lights, but I'm gonna make the front blue, and I'm gonna make the roof ones blue so that they match the lights here. So let me get to it. On the videos or what?
Locos, nos andamos quedando ahí.
Neta? I was like, what the fuck, dude?
Chiquito esa madre, güey.
Just keep drilling around it.
¿Cómo se quita esto, güey?
I think I'm gonna have like 50 more horsepower. You think I'll run the cops after the gauge, way?
Anybody can put it on.
Si te empareja el SS, güey. Yo creo que a mí no lo dejó, güey.
¿A quién?
Al SS the real. I don't think I can lose him.
I'm pretty sure.
On.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find something else.
Fuck. It can't be directa. Gotta show this shit on video. Woo! If I ever do this at my house, dude, I'm putting blocks under and I'm putting everything I can find, dude. See, I'm not gonna risk that thing falling on me. Put como 20 bloques, way. What kind of thing is it, way?
You have catalytic converters, bro?
They're fake, they're dummies. They're fake cats, man. Eh? What did you do, eh?
All the way to the front.
That's fine there, right? Sometimes it sounds pretty nasty when I first turn it on. I guess it needs to like even out a bit. It's pretty good right now. What happened? Perfect way. Or needs more. And my daughter's a year and 2 months. 3 months.
A year and 3 months?
See, way, but she already acts like a fucking 2-year-old way. Started running around and shit. She started walking like at 11 months.
Yeah, 9 months, güey.
Oh shit.
Porque lo ponía en el tenía un
the jumpy thingy.
Yeah, where she jumps.
Since she was super small, I would always hold her standing up. And then pues she started liking that shit, she se enojaba si no la tenías parada.
No, por eso el pinche orca no le enseño nada a la verga.
Horrible, but good at the same time. It's starting to kind of go down. I think it needs to settle in. Either way, this guy did a badass job installing it. It's real clean. You can't even see the wiring. Everything's nice and hidden. Yep, starting to go normal. Oh man, that's bad. This guy did a badass job. We did some test hits and we found out, like, I mean, it's not tuned all the way. Once I start reaching high RPMs, like at high speeds, around 70-ish, it starts leaning out real nasty. He told me. I went up to 16, almost 17. So like, como, I guess I'm still learning. When it gets that high, it needs more fuel, but it's not giving it enough fuel. So I mean, when I get with the tuner, he's gonna tune this thing pretty badass. Now that he has this, and it's working pretty good. So yeah, I'm so happy with this. I was telling them right now, I'm gonna play some Tokyo Drift because I'm a freaking real racer now. So yeah, this is badass. Not even like a little bit of, I give it a little bit of gas and it just, like, I don't even reach halfway, and this thing takes off pretty light. This dude just pulled on me real nasty. My gosh, man, my gosh. done playing with it. I'm good, thank you. We're here with Mr. Rocha. Say what's up. The dude that just got me right now. That thing pulls pretty good, man, on top, not gonna lie. Look at this thing. Fuel cell and all that shit. Where we going right now, man? Mexico, but what part of Mexico, eh? We're gonna Camargo. Nah. That shit runs badass, man. Look at this dude. Almost 150 for 85. You gonna follow them up, way?
Yeah, trying to.
They didn't have that thing to wipe, but I mean, it took off all the dust. So I'm sorry, guys, about all the crap on the windshield. Better than it was. Sorry, guys. So the cops are here at the what's one spot we're gonna park in. It's because some people, man, they put the spots. You're not supposed to. They put them on Facebook. You're not supposed to do that. They put the freaking spots on Facebook, and the cops show up real quick. It's always best to set one-on-one races, you know, do them real quick on the highway. But hopefully we find some action, man. Well, all the trucks are going in there, but looks like all the cops are gonna show up here. Man, there's a lot of vehicles. Man, my freaking windshield, man. Hopefully at the gas station there's a wipe. Large Mustang. My gosh. Makes you feel real slow, doesn't it? All the people here. Again, like always. Yep. Oh shit. Well, I don't think there's gonna be much fun going on tonight. Only highway fun runs, or my gosh, we'll see what's up. Always happens. Always happens. Well, hopefully I find my buddy. Everybody at? That's what I want to know. Man, Mexico gets pretty busy. Yeah, we know El Cuzzo. That's on 350. Oh man, he didn't even lose that bad. I'm surprised because my truck worked out of nowhere this time. Man, dude, this freaking guy taking on everybody. I think that's that La Bombis or something. I'm not sure because I've never seen it in person. But I mean, it should be a pretty good race. It's on the boosted as fuck. Oh fuck! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh my gosh! I'm here all slow and shit, and this guy over there is all boosted. I'm sorry guys, I get really excited. I can't stop talking. Oh, there goes Edgar. We're at the spot. I'm just gonna see where my buddies are at. I wanna see what goes down. Oh shit. Everybody's leaving. Everyone's leaving. I wonder why. I don't know if we should leave or not. Supposedly an accident happened earlier. Some other people. Everybody's trying to leave at once. Any action's gonna happen tonight in this spot. Else took off, but there was a couple of us that went this way. I don't know what's gonna go down. My friend told me they're gonna race right now, so we'll see what happens. Me without tires, there's no point in even trying. I think they're gonna race right now. I'm trying to get close enough so that I can. Man, let's see. Man, my dirty ass mirror. I'm not even gonna step on it. I'm way too low. His gas tank flew out. What the fuck? Need to go back. I don't even think this guy knows. I was like, did they hit a fucking animal or something? No, that it was his freaking gas tank. Let's see. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, there it is. This freaking dude, I swear. I'm glad I was behind him. Look, guys. Look at this shit. Man, it's covered in gas. That's disgusting. Look at this dude. Saving his ass. I already got off of the phone with him. He said he had 3 jugs. Dude, I only have 1. He has 1. The other one's gone. But he don't care. Dudes are about to race. Hope I don't get hit. God, those guys were hauling ass. Oh, my ear popped.